What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I quickly wanted to cover Bitcoin. And with that I always say kind of like the whole market, because the whole market is very correlated with Bitcoin. So I thought it would be interesting, definitely, since like the last week was very volatile. We went from 40k to 38k and from 38k to 43k, and now we're down at around 40k. A little bit below that, so I thought it would be interesting. So you can also see from the chart, I mean, it was just all over the place. It did respect a lot of key levels, but I thought, for example, that after breaking this 42 level, that we would definitely get up to at least 44,000. But in reality, we actually found enough resistance at 0.5. And from there actually dropped down all the way down to 40k, took a break retest off of this level around 41k, and now we're down at around 39, 40k. So basically wanted to discuss two scenarios with you that Bitcoin can have from this point, and you can prepare yourself depending on what scenario you think is more likely. I'd say we're definitely going up. One of these days we're definitely going up to this level between like 40,500 and 41,000 again. And what happens from that level is basically two things can happen. Either we drop down again, so something like this. I do have to adjust it a little because I do think that then we will find some support at 39,000 again, but afterwards we will just drop down to 38,000, which I do think will hold. We might have a move down to 37,500 very quickly, but I don't think that's necessary. And in this scenario, it would just mean that we'll stay down here. So down here, I believe, I mean like under 40k for a longer period of time, for at least like, let's say 4 to 5 days, something like that. So that's the first scenario, which is possible. The other scenario, and that's kind of a gray zone, because the other scenario is that we break above 41,000. So we do not necessarily have to do that immediately after getting to that level, which I do think will happen. We could also find some small resistance and then find support at like 40,000 and then get up there. So let's actually drag these away for a little bit. So something like this, so that we get up to that level, which, as I said in the beginning, I think is fairly certain. Then take a break retest of a 40,000, which, I mean, it's not drawn on this chart, but it's still a psychological support level and a strong one. And then break above that, after which I think if we actually break above 41,000, this time I think we can actually get up to 44,000, which might be a little bit of a bold claim, and it might actually take a little bit longer than you think by how I say it, because there is some strong resistance at 42,000, and that level around 43,000 is pretty strong too. But I would just say that, like, as soon as we break 41,000 again, we will just start an uptrend towards 44,000. So that could take a week, could even take more than a week. But like the market structure has then changed after breaking that level. So yeah, that's basically my Bitcoin analysis, and my thereby also a little bit market analysis, in which I wanted to explore different scenarios, just because I didn't want to stick to one scenario or one prediction in these volatile and unpredictable markets. So hopefully you found that okay. If you do have any questions about these scenarios or about the videos, please let me know, or about the analysis, sorry, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.